Good day, everyone. Jonathan Sarr, the Juvo Hub podcast, where learning leads. We have been focused on a series on the operational future of property management. This is part 4 of that series, and we're going to talk a bit about leadership for the hybrid asynchronous reality. So, diversified portfolio. A lot of your conversations are not in person; they're on Zoom or on Teams or some other virtual tool. And so, how can you take the lead from a distance? How can you create an environment that is engaging? We see all these memes and funny TikTok videos and Instagram of people who try to game the system to pretend they're actually paying attention to a meeting, and meanwhile, they've got something that is pretending to be them, and so on. They're funny, but they're also a reality because sometimes, oh my goodness, you just want to, pull your eyeballs out, and it just from the amount of meetings, number one, and then on top of it, when a meeting is just awful. So you have to think of these meetings more than just brain dumping out an agenda. Think of your meetings in a proactive way that is going to be engaging. It doesn't matter what it is. Structure things so that you are more of a facilitator. So you have an agenda coming up for the given day. This is where, from a facilitator perspective, if you are chairing that meeting, what have you done ahead of time to prepare people? Have you asked specific people to add their agenda items? Or if there's a section on that meeting that talks about impediments, roadblocks, have people contributed to that ahead of time? Do they know that they're going to be able to participate in that meeting? Those are just some different items that you can really focus on in order to engage your team. We want to be able to take time to give our team time. And that way, meetings flow, they're quicker, they're more efficient. It takes more work on your part. The easy thing is to send out a note, tomorrow's meeting is on XYZ. A true facilitator is thinking of everyone that's going to be there, doing the research, doing the reach out, asking people to get themselves involved in discussion, asking people to maybe even take point on certain items that are in the agenda. It takes more work. However, you lead to more productivity, you lead to more retention, you lead to a happier team. Do the work. That's part of the operational future. In order for virtual meetings to be successful, you have to move beyond just sending an agenda. Jonathan Sarr, the Juvo Hub podcast. Take care, everyone.